pong bibitawan nyo muna yung bit-bit nyo.
As Winter Storm Kora swept across North Texas on Thursday, state and local officials urged residents to exercise caution as heavy snow blanketed the region. Counties including Collin, Dallas, Denton, Kaufman, and Tarrant were under winter storm warnings. The Texas Department of Transportation applied brine to highways in anticipation, but worsening conditions caused chaos on the roads. By Thursday afternoon, Dallas police had responded to 53 crashes, Arlington police to 17, and Irving police reported a severe 18-wheeler crash. Road closures and icy conditions plagued highways, with reports of jackknifed semis near the Texas-Oklahoma border. Meanwhile, crews worked 12-hour shifts to clear toll roads, urging drivers to stay home unless necessary. Northwest Texas fared no better. Near Amarillo, whiteout conditions developed as wind gusts of up to 60 miles per hour combined with heavy snow, creating blizzard-like conditions along the I-40 corridor.
Texas, we got snow too. Snow angels, get it right. And we don't.
Accumulations ranged from 4 to 8 inches, with additional snowfall expected overnight. School districts canceled classes for Friday, while power outages affected over 1,000 customers in the Panhandle.
2025.
Morning, y'all. Coming from North Texas, where we're getting all this beautiful snow. It's really coming down and it's already thick. we're supposed to get up to 9 inches. So prayers for electricity to stay on, for the power to stay on, in hopes that everybody. One thing that I wanted to share with you, speaking with all of the judgments that are coming from, and
First responders faced a surge of emergencies, from vehicle rescues to a shipping container fire in Amarillo. The Amarillo Fire Department and law enforcement worked tirelessly, navigating slick roads and overwhelmed dispatch
And it
lines.
was funny, I was talking with someone this morning, and they kept saying, "And the stars shall fall." The stars are falling. They're being ratted out. God is in an hour of judgment where He's revealing the sins of those people. And those that are in sin or have committed sins will be exposed. The darkness is being exposed before our very eyes.
The National Weather Service warned of worsening visibility and icy roads overnight, with freezing temperatures expected to keep travel treacherous into Friday morning. The storm also impacted flights, with cancellations and delays reported at Rick Husband International Airport. Even as precipitation tapered off late Thursday, a transition to freezing drizzle and sub-freezing temperatures promised more hazardous driving conditions into the weekend.
Hill here, and that's not a big hill. That's my last few minutes out here.
Officials continue to monitor and respond to the storm's impact, urging the public to prioritize safety. The Amarillo Area Emergency Operations Center emphasized preparedness and coordination efforts to protect residents and infrastructure. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.